Where?
In a snowbank.
Oh! Good one. Good one.
What do you call a deer with no eyes? No eye deer.
Oh, we're coming up on the real one. Okay, keep going.
What do you call a deer with no eyes and no legs? Huh? Still, no eye deer. What do you call a boy without any arms in a swimming pool?
What?
Bob.
What do you call him if he's being towed behind a boat? Skip.
What was that?
What do you call him if he's being towed behind a boat? Skip. And if you hang him on the wall, Art.
And on the side of the front door, Matt.
Good.
But where would you find him? Right where you left it.
Why did the hot chocolate what? Why did the hot chocolate go over a marshmallow?
I don't know.
Because he thought the elephant was going to sit on it.
Estelle?
Why do lions have a mane?
Why?
Why? So it can protect itself from being ferocious? Okay.
That's Mac's problem too. He has to protect himself from being ferocious.
Sophia, you're up next.
I won't take it back.
Okay.
Are you done now, Lori?
I'm done. That's it. I'm done.
Sophia, I think you should tell a scary story.
Yeah, but they won't be
They
here
won't be
with
here
the-
with a bit.
What you share with the flashlight?
Flashlight.
Oh, that would be so scary.
Turn the lights off.
That would be scary.